Hello everybody. I'm going to give you a quick preview over what you are supposed to be building in this assignment, which is a MATLAB program that is supposed to draw or visually represents the projectile trajectory of an object, right? Okay, so this program I called UI projectile, and as you can see, it's supposed to ask the user for the initial values, which is V node, let's say 50 meters per hour. That's the initial speed. And then theta, which is the angle, I'm going to say 30 degrees. And then the time duration of the action, let's suppose this is going to be 6 seconds. Once you hit OK, as you can see, the program is supposed to visually represent this projectile trajectory, right? Let me put things in perspective for you. There you go. So as you can see here, first requirement is for you to draw this. This is the trajectory, the projectile trajectory. You need also to visually draw this, which is the maximum heights of this trajectory. Now, you need also to determine whether this object descended below the horizontal level of the point of projection, right? Which is, it started here from 0 and then it went all down here. As you can see, that's minus 25 or something. Now, in my program, I'm considering this to be sea level. So the program will say, okay, this object descended is underwater now if it descended below this point, or it's above water. Put things in perspective, I think this is a better angle, right? There you go. So it started from 0 here, and went all the way. This is the highest point, and then it came down to this. Now, if we go here, you will see the data. So this is a requirement too. You are supposed to provide this maximum heights in meters and determine whether the object here below water means below the horizontal level of the point of projection. Now, for the other requirements, if I close this, okay, and let's do it again. So it's asking you of new data. Let's say this time I'm gonna make it 60, right? That's the speed 60 meters per second, and theta would be 60 degrees, and only, let's say, 3 seconds. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. Excellent. So here you can see that the program, it went ahead again and then it visually represented this projectile trajectory. Now, as you can see here, if I put things in perspective for you, it started from 0, it went all the way up here, but because it was only 3 seconds, this is the highest point, this is supposed, so it didn't go below this point, which is the horizontal level of projection. Now, I'm showing you this because I want to show you this. So the program is supposed to tell you the current data, right, which is this time it went up 111 meters, and it is supposed to be able to tell you the historical data. So remember, the previous time it was 31 meters, and so this is call number 1 and this is call number 2. Now, the way that you can do this is through using persistent and global variables, right? How many times I can do this? In the assignment, it is required that you do this 20 times. I hope you guys will have fun doing this program. I really enjoyed doing it.